In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound for Google Messages on Samsung. First, open Settings, go to Notifications, then tap on Advanced Settings, and scroll down to select Manage Notification Categories for each app. Now, go back to the home screen, open Settings again, scroll down and tap on Apps, then open Google Messages. Next, go to Notifications. Scroll down and tap on Manage Categories. Then select Incoming Messages. Here, tap on Sound, and now you can choose any notification sound you like. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.